everyone, how are you all? Hopefully all of you are doing well. Welcome back to my channel Super School. Today I'm going to share another video with you discussing vocabulary. So this is the third part of the vocabulary tutorial that I have started, and if you don't know about it, then go and check out the couple of videos that I have already uploaded. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and also follow my Facebook page for more detailed information. And also, if you would like me to be your instructor, then please contact me through my Facebook page. Now let's move on to the point that I have promised, that is 3 minutes 3 words. Let's begin with accusation. So I think you have heard of this word before. It's a familiar word, but how to use it and what parts of speech it is? It is a noun. It means the act of gaining a skill or possessing of something. Yes, it means the act of gaining a skill or possession of something. Possessing something. So language acquisition is easier for kids than it is for adults. So it makes sense, and you have seen how I have used this word in the example that is shown on the screen, that language acquisition is easier for kids than is for adults. So let's move on to the next one. Adapt. Adapt is a verb, but before that you can also see the word below, adapt, another word which is exactly the same with a difference in the spelling, adapt. So also the main difference between these two words are verb and adjective. So adapt is a verb which means to accommodate oneself to a new condition, setting or situation. So in the word you will use this word which will perform the action. And how can we use it? The US has adopted many foreign foods to better suit the taste of Americans. It's as simple as that. It's not that difficult of a word. Dogs are known for their ability to quickly adapt to their environments. So in a word, it's used like a verb, and what does it mean? It means to accommodate oneself to a new condition. Now let's move on to the third word, adapt. Now why I have add this simple word adapt? Why I'm not adding up or discussing some more intriguing words, which will play with your head. But sometimes these simple words can play with your head. So it's very important that first you get your confusion clear about these simple words, and slowly we will walk towards much more complex word. So adapt means adjective, having knowledge or skill. So Beth loves playing the piano, but she is specially adept at the violin. So it is used as an adjective in a sentence, and you can also make up a sentence like although I have studied economics, but I am an adept in English teaching. Yeah. So let me know in the comment section below, how are you liking my videos, and please subscribe my channel and follow my Facebook page. Thank you.